Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make animation by Procreate app. Okay, first create site for your animation and then start to draw the objects. Draw one object and duplicate it, then move it around. Yeah, and then open action, then turn on animation assist. The animation assist will show you at the bottom. You can just keep testing it. Your animation, it depends on your imagination. For me, I'm going to make Valentine animation. So I drew a lot of heart, pink hearts. Okay, I think we are going to finish. And when you export, don't forget to open all of your layers. Here we will see how to export. Next, open action, then click share. Select animated GIF. Adjust frame per second as you like. Here you can adjust, make it faster or slower, and then export to your library photo by selecting Save Image.